Light is photography. That's why, besides the camera itself, perhaps the most powerful tool a photographer has is a flash. When you hold it in your hand, you're holding the ability to create light on demand. When you understand light, you can create drama, mood, and emotion. For many photographers, learning flash has been an uphill battle, and some have simply given up. But that's all about to change. What if you could spend 2 full days with 2 of our industry's most passionate, gifted teachers who would finally demystify flash for the beginner and push and challenge more experienced flash users? Can you imagine just how far you would go in those 2 days? This fall, you'll have that opportunity as 2 of the top flash authors and educators come together to create a truly unique learning experience. Joe McNally, the man who opened the photographic world to the real power of flash and inspired an entire generation of flash users through his books, The Moment It Clicks and The Hot Shoe Diaries, along with Scott Kelby, author of The Flash Book, the #1 best-selling book on flash for the past 3 years, have come together to coach you, to mentor you, to teach, inform and illuminate by sharing their latest flash techniques, their hard-earned secrets, and even the post-processing and retouching work that goes into making stunning, remarkable images as you uncover a whole new world of light powered by just a simple flash. It's 2 full days, all presented live, all online. This is the Flash Photography Conference. The power of light is in your hands.